Okay children, let's see the next exercise. Just read the headings carefully children. Read the words aloud. Okay, we have to read the words aloud. If it makes the yes sound, if it makes the S sound, we of C, if this, for example, this is a C letter, isn't it? But it makes X sound, we have to write the word in the blue box. This is a blue box and this is a red box. Let's write the box name. This is a blue box and this is a red box. Okay, if the C have the yes sound means we have to write it on the blue box. Okay, suppose the C makes K sound. Okay, if the C makes K sound, then we have to write it on the red box. Listen carefully children. If a C makes yes sound, if the C makes yes sound, we have to write it on the blue box. If C makes K sound, then we have to write it on the red box. Okay, if C yes sound, we have to write it on a blue box. If the C K sound, then we have to write it on the red box. Let's do the exercise. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, let's go for an exercise. Okay, just pronounce it loudly. Cell, 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 cell. You are hearing S sound or K sound children? Yes, you are hearing a yes sound. Okay, if you are hearing a S sound, then we want to write it in red box or blue. Yes, in the blue box. Shall I write? Okay, let's tell the spelling. For cell, C E L L, cell. Okay children. Okay, let's go to the next exercise. Cape, cape. It's not a cap, it's a cape. Cape, 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 cape. What is the sound coming from the cape? Are you hearing the K sound from the C or a S sound from the C? Yes, you are getting a K sound from the C. Very good children. If we get K sound from the C, where we want to write? We want to write it on the red box or the blue box? Yes, we want to write it on the red box. Shall I write children? Okay, you are going to tell me the spelling for the cape. C A P E, cape. Very good children. Let's look at the next set of words. This is prize, price, prize, prize. We should not consider the P. We have to consider only the C. Okay, the C sound is whether S or K. Price, price, price. You are hearing a sound or a K sound from C children? Yes, you are hearing S sound from the price. Okay, if we get S sound from the C, where we want to write, whether we want to write it on the red box or blue box? Everybody is telling correct. We have to write it on the, yes, a blue box. Okay, I'm right. We have to tell the spelling for the price. P R I C E, price. Very good. Okay, let's do the next set of words. This is a space, space, space. We should not consider the S and P. We have to only see the sound of the C. Space, 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 space. Okay, you are hearing a sound or a K sound from the letter C? Yes, you are getting a sound from the letter C. If you are getting the sound, yes sound, where we want to write, whether we want to write it on the red box or a blue box? Yes children, good. Everybody is telling correct. Yes, if you can hear the yes sound from the letter C, we want to write it on the blue box. Okay, I'm going to write. You are going to tell the spelling. S, come on. P A C E. Very nice. Okay, let's look the next set of words. This is race, race, race. Okay, we want to consider only the C. Race, race. Are you hearing any S sound from the C or a K sound from the C? Yes, very good. You are hearing the S sound from the letter C. Okay, if you are getting the S sound from the letter C, whether you want to write it on the red box or a blue box. Yes, if you are getting S sound from the C, we have to write it on the blue box. Okay, let I am going to write. You are going to tell the spelling. R A C E, race. Very good, very good. Okay, let's look at the next set of words. This is a crop. Crop. It's not a crop. This is a crop. Crop. Okay. What the sound you are getting from the letter C? Crop. 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 You are getting any K sound or a S sound from the letter C? Yes, you are getting K sound from the letter C. Okay, if you are getting a K sound from the letter C, where you want to write, whether you want to write it in the red box or a blue box. Yes, you want to write it on the red box. Shall I write? You are going to tell the spelling for me. C R O P, crop. Very nice. Okay, let's look the next set of words, children. This is a cake. 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 We have to look at the letter C here. Okay, you don't want to bother about any other words because they are told to listen only the letter C. Okay, we want to bother only about letter C. Okay, let's pronounce it correctly. Cake. 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 Okay, you are hearing a S sound from C or a K sound from the letter C? Yes, you are getting a K sound from the letter C. Okay, if you are hearing a K sound, where you want to write? You want to write it in a red box or a blue box? Yes, you want to write it on the red box. I am going to write. You are going to dictate me the spelling of cake. C A K E, cake. Okay, let's go for a next set of words. This is a code. 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 You are hearing a K sound from the letter C or a S sound from the letter C? Okay, children, did you got it? Yes, you are hearing a K sound from the letter C. Okay, if you are getting the K sound, where we want to write, whether in a red box or a blue box? Yes, we want to write it in the red box. Very good. I am going to write, you are going to dictate. C. Next word. O. D. E. Code. Code. Okay, this is a cell. C-E-L-L, cell. Cape. C-A-P-E, cape. Price. P-R-I-C-E, price. This is a space. S-P-A-C-E, space. This is a race. R-A-C-E, race. This is a crop. C-R-O-P, crop. This is a cake. C-A-K-E, cake. This is a code. C-O-D-E, code. Okay, let's move to the next set of words, children.